ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to
Emdoor
Rugged channel. This is Nia.
This is Josie. We are so glad to be here and hope you have a new beginning surrounded by happiness and laughter in spring.
Also today, we have prepared some fantastic prizes for you guys.
Yes, so please follow us and stay till the end. If you interact with us during Q&A, you might be the lucky winner.
And in this live stream, we would like to show you our new meta series.
So if you have any questions, please feel free to connect us and we will reply to you immediately.
Next, here are our 3 talks of today, our meta series, Q&A, and our Emdoor stories.
Well, let's begin with the first part, meta series. So why is meta series now?
The matter is derived from metal. That is to say, the new matter is made of metal.
Also, as far as I know, metal series is designed fully metal magnesium alloy. Is that true?
Yes. Metal series adopts the magnesium alloy material. It is a multi-material made of magnesium, the lightest structural metal, mixed with other metal elements.
So, as Wikipedia says, magnesium alloys have low specific gravity with satisfactory strength and good resistance to collision and high temperature properties.
Yes, certainly, and these particular merits are also applicable to meta series and play an important role in its durability and reliability.
So let's move on to know more about our meta series.
As the picture shows, there are 2 new models of meta series. It is the rugged tablet i12U and the rugged laptop X33.
So before bringing you guys a detailed introduction, let's watch a video about our rugged tablet i12U. So, welcome back. After watching the video, I believe that you guys must be curious about our new module. So, considering some customers' needs that like the public security industry, transportation industry, and other outdoor industry, our R&D launched this tablet for you to solve the problem and facilitate your work. So, if you are one of them, please pay more attention now. Let Neil tell us why it will be the best choice for you.
Yes, we will knew the i12U adopts the magnesium alloy material,
Yes.
and because the magnesium is the lightest of all structural metals. So the i12U must be the lightest metal rugged tablet among others.
Right. So, in addition to the weight, is there any other advantages of weight?
Yes, of course. The i12U is a 10-inch rugged tablet. It is 1.3 millimeter thin and 1,180 grams. Compared to the other Emdoor old 10-inch tablets, the i12U is thinner and has an equal weight. Not only that, the i12U has a higher performance, which includes processing, interface, and more.
Well, then let's talk about the chip. It is equipped with a superlative Intel Core i5 and i7 processor, right?
Yes. they are the Intel's 8th generation mobile core processors, and there's one major ones is that they're for the first time available in quad-core configuration. 4 cores, 8 threads, and can lead by a fairly substantial reduction of base clock speed and increase in maximum tube speed. So they are enough for your roadline jobs or high loadings.
Well, I've got it. So how about its operating system and storage capacity?
We can see the display. Yes, it is a Windows 10 tablet, and it has a fixed 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD are sufficient for your general use. Or you can upgrade it to 16 GB of RAM and maximum 512 GB of SSD for high performance use. Yes, they are always an option best for you.
Yes, even there is more text in well, the loading will not slow down.
Yes, the tablet has a strong performance as well as laptops.
Well, let's go to the next part. It's about multiple interfaces. So let's switch to a close-up detail shoot. Okay, we can see here all ports and modules are all around on the i12U left side, right side, top side, and bottom side. They are very easy to reach it. Firstly, Neil, let's talk about the left side of it.
Okay, I will show you the tablet's interfaces. First, let's turn to the left side. Yes, let's now make the protective covers opened for a better view.
Okay, let's open it.
Here we can see DC ports, USB Type-C ports, USB Type-A ports, SIM card slots, TF expansion card slots, and earphone jack. Yes, and if your job requires a video application, don't worry, we can help you to add an HDMI mini port in the middle of the earphone jack and the card slots.
It sounds so nice.
Yes, a nice tablet and a nice service. Now let's turn to the right side. We can find a secure groove. It is a design. The design is the result for the port expansion. You can expand an aviation connector here. Yes, used for the charging ports.
Okay, how about the bottom and the top side design?
Okay, on the top side, it is a SMA connector. Yes, you could install and connect a remote GPS antenna through it. In this way, you can use the antenna as a GPS source for a better GPS reception. And now let's turn to the bottom side.
Okay.
Yes, we can see here is a pogo pin port. You can charge the i12U through an easy pogo connection with the charging dock. Yes, you have a permanent charging station without worrying about finding a cable. And thanks to the thanks to the upright docking base, you can comfortably view content while charging.
Yes, at the same time, the i12U can also be used as a mobile solution for scanning barcodes. And the optional barcode scanner can be mounted next to the SMA connector on the top side. With the function, you can employ scanning in warehouse, factory, and other workplaces. So let's turn back. As it's a rugged tablet, so let's check how it protected.
Okay, besides its magnesium material, the i12U has the raised bumpers, the protective outdoors, the Corning Gorilla Glass, yes, and sailing battery and more. A series of ruggedness designs made the i12U counter IP65 ceiling, past the military standard 810G standard, and it can handle jobs from 4 feet.
Right. As what you said, it have IP65 protection level. Maybe can I have a test now?
Yes, of course. I have prepared a cup of water for you.
Okay.
Yes, now let's do the simple test.
Okay.
Okay, now Josie, splash the water on the display.
Okay, I'll do it. Wow,
Wow.
it's so white.
Too much. Then I will test for its function and performance. Yes, first I open a video. Yes.
Okay, show us.
Yes, it works well.
Right.
And then I will turn the volume up. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, the maximum volume. Yes.
It's awesome. The music sounds great.
Yes. So after the waterproof test, yes, it can still work and it really meets the IP65 rating standard. Yes. So next.
Okay, let's move on. As we all know, security become more and more important nowadays, right?
Yes, so our iTribU has a TPM 2.0 module, and it is fully supported by Windows 10 security features to help protect against known or unknown threats.
Above all, the iTribU is designed to get work done without needing a protective case. Right devices is very important to users. They could be more confident to shift with these devices.
Yes, and next I will introduce the iTrib's connectivity. Yes, so the iTribU supports a dual band Wi-Fi 5, a long distance Bluetooth version 4.2, and integrated 4G LTE wireless broadband.
Well, when we use that at work, we have to consider its positioning capacities. So
Yes.
how about its performance on positioning?
For its positioning, yes, you are not limited to just one option. The iTribU comes with a combination of three options. They are GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou, and it can provide maximum accuracy, security, and data integrity.
Well, it sounds great. But now we have not talked about the battery, right?
Yeah, so next I will introduce its battery. Yes, the iTribU has two batteries, and the big one provides 37 watt hours and is user accessible for hot swapping. And another small one is 6 watt hours and it is an internal battery. Yes, overall, the iTribU battery life is up to 8 hours. Designed for full day, and if you need it continue running, we can provide you a backup battery.
Yes. So supported by long-lasting two batteries, your all-day work will not be interrupted. Even when the battery runs out, the hot swappable design allows to swap new batteries in and out without ever shutting down.
Yes, you did have a great command of our new model, Josie.
Yes, I'm so interested in our new module, right?
So now do you know another new product of Meta series?
Of course, it's our Rocket tablet EMX33.
Yes.
It is also made of magnesium alloy material. So let's watch a video first. Welcome back again. This rugged laptop is designed for some industries such as intelligent manufacturing, car repairment industry, the public sector industrial, and so on. That video shows that EMX33 is black and gray, which is fully industrial design laptop. So next, let Neil talk more details about the laptop X33.
Yes, I'm so glad to share with you. As a member of the Matter series, so the same mechanism, alloy material, and this makes the X33 rugged and robust, and makes it smaller and lighter than any of the currently available fully rugged laptops. Yes, it is only 1 inch thick and 4.6 pounds weight.
In addition to its lighter weight, what other highlights does it have?
That's too much. For example, it is a clean and attractive design, and for another, it is screw-on corner bumpers. It is integrated handle. Yes, and it's lockable protective port covers. This particular structurization and also emphasizes the X33's ruggedness.
Okay, let's have a look to the next part, delicate design.
Yes, attention here, it can open up to 180 degrees. Yes, and the display measures 13.3 inch and has a 4 HD resolution. Yes, it's much more present and remains well visible outdoors.
It also means that you can see the X33 displays delicate and vivid images.
Yes, right. And digging deeper into the effects of display, the X33 display uses the original industrial display panel from AUO with high transmission for lower power consumption trends, as well as no light leakage. It has a better image quality and motion visual performance. And the X33 display integrates a touch function. Yes, even the group touch function conforming to the demand of users.
Okay, I have remembered that our PM said they pay much attention on its chips.
Yes, Emdoor X33 33 comes with the Intel-Core i5 113 core processor. Yes, 4 cores and 8 threads. The max turbo frequency is up to 4.2 gigahertz. Yes, and here what I want to emphasize is that it is the Tiger Lake 11th generation of core processors, which has the latest high performance. Almost 72% performance improvements over the 8th generation. And it features the Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is faster than the common Intel USD graphics. It can provide extra open for heavier duties like video editing and 3D rendering.
It's so amazing.
Yes.
I also remember that they say for the X33's operating system, it comes standard with the Windows 10, and you can also choose the newest Windows 11 version to experience the new interface and the features, right?
Yes, right. And for its memory, the X33 can offer 8GB or 60GB options available, and for its storage, they are 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes factory choices, and you are able to change the SSD to increase your storage.
Okay, I've got more understanding of our X33. So how about its outside? We all know good keyboard and touchpad are also critical for using feelings. So good ones would make laptop more convenient and easier to use, right?
Yes, it is the point. Our Emdoor A33 has a 4-scale keyboard, yes, with 78 keys. And these keys have a lot of trouble, proper feedback, and convenient layout. Yes, very perfect to touch tablets. And a more prominent advantage is that the keyboard has an automatic backlight for better visibility in low light environments.
Yes.
And below the keyboard, yes, we can see it is the capacitive margin touchpad. Yes, it is not too small, not too large. Very responsible and easy to use. Yes, and about the keyboard, yes, we can see here. Yes, here are 4 statue indicator lights. It is a power, battery 1, battery 2, and a caps lock. And another 2 buttons. It is here. It is a P button and a power or sleep button.
Yes, the P button actually is a programmable function button, right?
Yes.
Now, the configurate function is you can long press it to quickly turn on or turn off the display. Okay, let's do the next part. As we can see, there are many interfaces on the X33. Maybe we can take a close-up shoot. Okay, Neil, show us about its configuration.
Yes, for its onboard wired connectivity, the X33 is nicely equipped. Yes, now we remove the protective covers for better look at the ports. From left to right, here is IS232 serial ports, then RJ45 LAN jack,
yes,
and USB Type-A port and HDMI port. And next to that is the fan air intake. And next, let's take a view at the right side of the X33. Yes, we have removed the covers from left to right. Here are 2 USB Type-A ports, a USB Type-C port, yes, and standard audio jack and the power jack. Yes, and here it is important to note that the USB Type-C port supports Thunderbolt 4 connections.
What is Thunderbolt 4? No.
The Thunderbolt 4 is actually an upgraded cable connection interface, and with it you can have faster data transfers, robust external display support, and charging just with one cable. So if you have much more application connectivity requirements than post the laptop owns, just connect the X33 to one Thunderbolt 4 dock and everything can work out.
Well, let's go to the next part, the X33's bottom side. Let's take a look at this part. Yeah.
Yes, about the bottom side of the X33, here are its fan, 2 open lanes for its 2 batteries, and another opening for its SSD and an extra PCIe connector.
So it can work for a long time and still in high performance.
Sure, the fan cools by using copper heat pipes to connect heat away from the processor and the other host components, and then using the fan to cool. So the cooling method could help the X33 cooler and maintain high performance levels for longer. Yes, and the openings for 2 batteries, I will deal with it later. Yes, and for the another opener, it is an access door fixed through screws. Yeah. Yes, after remove, then you can get to the SSD and the PCIe connector. You can even replace a larger SSD or connect a 4G module through the PCIe connected by yourself.
Such professional interpretation, Neil.
Yes, that should be.
So next one, as I understand, the X33 has the IP65 protection level, and we have mentioned the define and opening right now. So with these components, the laptop can pass all the setting requirements in this level, right?
Yes, of course. The X33 finds is in a separate sealed compartment, and its two open links sealing is through a very slender tongue and groove design. No liquid gas inside the electronics part of the laptop, and more. Like for physical ports, we mentioned, it is covered by the protective covers. Yes, more of these designs keep in level with the IP65 protection standards.
So as far as I know, almost all the racket products nearly have IP65 protection level, even IP67, right?
Yes. By the way, as far as ruggedness goes, the accessory is made of the much stronger material, has extra protection such as hardened glass, the corner bumpers, so the laptop is very tough and rugged. It can handle jobs from 4 feet, and it has passed the military standard 8100G certification. As a result, the X3 can survive on the job in the harsh environments.
Right. Okay, let's go to the last part. The removable dual battery design. For battery power, we mentioned the 2 batteries of 8. So what's the advantages?
The advantage is making the 2 small batteries allow for a slimmer profile than one big one, allow for house swappable battery change, very convenient to use. And the 2 batteries combined for 62 watt hours can achieve almost 9 hours of battery life to meet the one-day work.
Yes, it also can support quick charge only for 3 hours, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's show how to change the batteries.
Yes, it is 2 batteries.
Yes.
Yes, and it is battery cable. Yes, just help me.
Okay.
Now we remove the battery cable.
It's a little hard.
Yes.
Then put it down. Maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
We
Okay.
remove the battery cable, and then we can see the battery is here.
Yes.
Yes. Now we remove the battery.
Okay.
Yes,
Just
it's so
push
easy.
it and
Yes.
yes, take out it.
And now we
put it back.
put it back.
Okay.
Yes.
It's so easy to operate.
And the battery cable.
Just
Yes. Okay.
we finished. The other battery is also the same as the this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the next part.
Our Q&A.
Now is the Q&A section. In this section, you can directly speak out your questions, and we have invited a professional expert to answer your question. The most important thing is the number 1 and number 2 will win the prize today.
Yes, we will have 2 rounds, and in every round, the first one on microphone will talk to us online successfully and have the chance to win the ECAD prize. By the way, if you want to participate in our Q&A section, yes, you must use the Google Chrome to enter our live show by your laptop.
Yes. Please be sure to use Web Chrome by your laptop to join the live show. Well, now we have invited our professional expert, Kevin. Come here and say hi.
Kevin.
Yes, Kevin. Sorry.
Hey guys,
Yes, Kevin.
so I'm Kevin. I'm responsible for the sales for the American market in Emdoor team. So I have bring the laptop that I taught you here. So if you have any question with our product or the question about the Emdoor team, welcome to question us now, and we will answer to you directly.
Yes. Now let's begin with the first round. I will make a calling to you, and you can click the button and make a call with us. Okay, let's begin. Is there anybody clicking the button to make a call with us?
Yeah. At the same time, before I saw a lot of questions from my partner Woody.
Yes.
So Woody, do you have any more the questions to us? And you can connect to us with the microphone directly.
Yes.
Or any other partners, if you have any the question to us, and just join us now. Yeah. Before I saw the questions from the Woody, and he has the question about the port. And actually, currently for all the new products, and the port is easy removable, and there will be the port actually is fixed with the screw here, and if this part is broken, and you just use the screw and to remove the screw, and easy to exchange this part. So normally for the partner you can do it by yourselves, and Emdoor team will be going to offer the parts and to offer to you.
Right. Thanks for Kevin's introduction about our I12U.
Yeah. So let's check if there is any more the questions from the partners. Maybe we can choose some more and answer to them.
There are some questions that have
Yes,
provide. Okay, we can
here
check
are
the
some. Yes.
Okay, let's check.
There is a friend named Walter. He say, wow, he want to connect with us, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. What they need to register
You can
and then
call
begin.
He can call
So
you.
let me pick up some more the questions from here, and
Maybe he can make a calling by phone. with
you mean the directly?
Yes, he can.
So what would you like to have the call directly?
You can check your phone.
Yeah.
And this time, during this time, we can see other questions. There is a friend asking how much time it takes to fully charge the battery.
For the charge the battery,
Yes.
as this is actually the battery is removable and on the device, and it will be take like 5 to 6 hours and to fully charge the battery, and this is 19 watt the battery.
Okay, thanks for Shelly's question. And okay, the water.
So Shirley, the question asks, why do we call these products Meta series? Actually, the Meta series is because for this series of the two products, it's magnesium the product, so we call it the Meta, and it's coming a little bit close.
Metal.
Yeah, metal.
Yes. Right. Okay, thanks for your question again. And we will send an email after the live show. Maybe we will ask you several questions about Meta series of today's live show, and we will give you the Amazon card to you. Thanks for your attention.
Thanks for sharing.
Thanks for your question again. Okay. How about the water?
Yes.
You can make a. Maybe you can.
Yeah. What just answered to me? We can have a call on another
Yes.
line. Okay. So
Yeah.
what I will call you directly,
Okay.
and if you have any other question,
Yes.
yeah, let's talk with the WeChat.
Wait a moment.
So let's wait.
Okay, we are connecting with the water. Please wait
Water,
a
waiting
moment.
online. Hey, Water. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Welcome. You are online now, together with us.
That's great.
So, do you have any more the question about the products or with our team? Yeah, you are very familiar with our team, so I think you may have more the question with the new products, right?
Yeah, I'm interested to know the. Probably I haven't taken a look in the specifications, but what is the screen brightness of the X33 and the i12U?
For the I talked to you, and it's the full HD. And for the 13-inch, and I can send you the detailed spec, and also you can check the, of course, after the show, and I can send the detailed spec for both of the units, and then you can check all the detailed data of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any questions about?
So, do you have any other questions or now?
Not currently. Not currently.
Okay, that's good. So let's discuss the more the later, and we can going to discuss more about the products. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you for your calling, and we
You're
will.
welcome.
Bye.
We will send an email after the live show. Congratulations. Well, that's this. It's all about Q&A.
Yes, and thank you, thank you, Kevin again. Yes,
Okay,
and thank you,
thank
Tam.
you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you,
Thank you for your
answer.
time. Okay, maybe you can take a seat.
Okay.
Go back. Yeah, here you are. Thanks for your time. Right. Okay, let's go to the next part today. The third part is Emdoor stories. Emdoor info as a friend of you. We want to show some pictures of our team in recent years. So let's enjoy the video. Okay, welcome back again. As the ending shows, Emdoor info, we are a family.
Yes, and if you have any questions, you can contact us by the following ways.
Yes. Also, Emdoor Info is one of the biggest rugged PC manufacturer in China. We welcome all walks of life to business with us. No matter you are one of the retailers, distributors, or wholesalers, and so on, you can make business with us, and we'd like to support your local business with our technology.
Yes, and that's it for today. And
Yes.
thank you
you for your
guys
time.
for joining
Yes.
us. Yes.
Yes, if you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email by marketing.info@emdoor.com. At the same time, in the Q&A, both of you have questions, we will offer your gift after the live show. And we will send an email to you to give you the gift today. So don't worry about it. Okay, that's all of today's live stream. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, at last, we also have a feedback sheet. It may cost you 1 minute to finish it. So please help us to finish it. Bye.